The Audi A5 Sportback 45 TFSI Quattro stands as a testament to Audi's commitment to blending performance with practicality. This sleek five-door hatchback offers the elegance of a coupe combined with the versatility of a sedan, making it a compelling choice for those seeking both style and substance. Design and exterior. The A5 Sportback's design is characterized by its flowing lines and coupe-like silhouette, which seamlessly transitions into a spacious hatchback rear. The front fascia is dominated by Audi's signature single-frame grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give the vehicle an assertive stance. The S-line trim adds sporty elements, such as more aggressive bumpers and side skirts, enhancing its dynamic appeal. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the A5 Sportback 45 TFSI Quattro is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 261 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring swift gear changes and optimal traction. The combination allows the A5 Sportback to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 5.0 seconds, offering a blend of efficiency and performance. Interior and comfort. Inside, the A5 Sportback exudes a luxury, with its high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail. Standard features include leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and 3-zone automatic climate control. The cabin is spacious, comfortably seating 4 adults, and the rear hatch provides access to a generous cargo area, enhancing practicality. Technology and infotainment. Audi's MMI infotainment system is at the heart of the A5 Sportback's technology suite. The standard 10.1-inch touchscreen is intuitive and responsive, supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. For those seeking an upgraded experience, the available 12.3-inch Virtual Cockpit digital display offers customizable information directly in the driver's line of sight. Additionally, Audi Connect provides a suite of connected services, including navigation, real-time traffic updates, and remote vehicle access. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is paramount in the A5 Sportback, with a host of standard driver assistance features. These include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and a rear-view camera. Optional upgrades, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, further enhance driver confidence and convenience. Driving experience. On the road, the A5 Sportback delivers a refined and engaging driving experience. The adaptive suspension system provides a comfortable ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease, while the Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures stability and grip in various driving conditions. The steering is precise, offering responsive handling that instills confidence in both city driving and spirited cornering. Fuel efficiency. The A5 Sportback 45 TFSI Quattro offers commendable fuel efficiency for its class. EPA estimates place it at 24 mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway, making it a practical choice for daily commuting and long-distance drives. The integration of a mild hybrid system further contributes to its efficiency by assisting during acceleration and reducing engine load. Conclusion. The Audi A5 Sportback 45 TFSI Quattro impresses with its harmonious blend of performance, luxury, and practicality. Its striking design, potent engine, and advanced technology make it a standout in the premium hatchback segment. Whether navigating urban streets or embarking on a weekend getaway, the A5 Sportback offers a compelling package that caters to discerning drivers seeking versatility without compromising on style or performance.